started doing something a lot called slow stitching. I obviously did not invent this. Lots of people out there are doing it. It's a lot of fun. And I'm going to show you how to do it because my sister asked me to teach her. And I'm like, I can make a video and it can be for everybody. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. This one I'm going to sew in as a patch to these jeans, and I'm going to make another matching patch for this hole, and I'll show you how to do that. So we've got this patch here that I already pinned in. Anyway, I want to also make a patch that coordinates to cover this hole. So we're just going to use this little piece of flannel as our main one, so we know that'll fit. And then we're going to build off of it. So I just pulled out some of these. Use these clips if you have them, but they're not necessary. Just kind of clip them where there's an intersection. Just pin it where there's, parts that could shift. A whole lot. So at this stage you can either just start sewing or you can baste it. I'll show you what basting it is. Good enough. You can see this is pretty old thread. I thrifted it. Wouldn't probably be very good used in a sewing machine, but it works well. This. Okay, so we're just gonna do some big old stitches. Also probably better to do a thread that doesn't coordinate so well with the fabric you're using, just so you can see it better. Didn't think of that until just now, but that is a better way to do it than what I've done here. You can see they're just messy stitches, and this whole process is kind of based off of messy, imperfect stitches, which is part of why I love it, because fuck perfection. It doesn't exist. No, you don't even need these. So now you can stitch nice and comfortably. So like, go for any colors you like, play. It's like, just have fun, There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all gonna be beautiful and interesting and textural. So yeah, don't overthink it. Just grab some stuff you like and start stitching, So when you're doing a small one especially, you don't need it very long. And then we're just gonna stitch wherever we feel like it. One of the reasons why I don't always do basting is because sometimes you want to try not to stitch through the basting threads you put in, or else they'll be harder to pull out later. And we're just going to keep doing that. Different thread, different angles. We've done some stitches, and now I'm gonna take out the basting stitches. So the big threads, just clip some of them. Hello, Percy. Obviously being careful not to clip any other threads, and then we'll start pulling them out. And I'm ready to do that because I've done rows of stitching through all the main overlapping areas, so I know it'll be secure. You'll just keep stitching and doing more until you're happy with it, until you like it. You can do as much as you want, honestly. There's not enough here yet. I'm gonna go quite a bit more, especially over these bits where there's like more raw edges, and then they were smaller pieces. So I know I want to go over them a bunch of times to get them really secure, because I am gonna still put these in the washing machine. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But that's how you do it. Pretty fun, pretty simple, basically a fabric collage.